Section 3 of Birds, Volume 2, Number 4, October 1897, read for LibriVox.org by Alan Mapstone. The Lost Mate. Shine, 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 pour down your warmth, great sun, while we bask, we two together. Two together. Winds blow south, or winds blow north, day come white, or night come black, home or rivers and mountains from home, singing all time, minding no time, if we two but keep together. Till of a sudden may be killed unknown to her mate. One forenoon the she-bird crouched not on the nest, nor returned that afternoon nor the next, nor ever appeared again. And thenceforward all summer in the sound of the sea, and at night under the full moon in calmer weather, over the hoarse surging of the sea, or flitting from briar to briar by day, I saw, I heard at intervals the remaining one. Blow, 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 blow up, sea winds, along Paumanok's shore. I wait and I wait, till you blow my mate to me. Walt Whitman. End of section 3. This recording is in the public domain.